Hello, hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? How's everything?
I'm fine. I have allergy.
Oh,
Yes.
talking about the celebrities. Okay, great. First, tell me, where were you yesterday at 7 o'clock? Nargis, where were you?
I was in home.
At home. We say, I was at home. Yes, these days, everybody's at home. Stay home, stay safe. Great. Where were you at 10 o'clock, Maria?
Today,
No, yesterday.
I was at office.
At the office. Very good. At the office. Excellent. Ali, please tell us where. Hi. Where were you this morning?
This morning, I was in office.
In the office. Very good. Or at work. Excellent. Ali, ask Mariam a yes/no question.
Were you at home?
Very good. Place. Were you at home last night?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. We can say yes, I was,
Yes.
or yes, of course. Very good. Maria, ask Narges.
Was your mother at the garden yesterday?
Okay. Was your
No,
mother in the garden? Yesterday?
No, she wasn't.
Very good. Excellent. We have the questions, is there or are there?
Is there a hospital near here?
There is a hospital on 23rd Street between 6th and 7th.
So listen and repeat. One by one, listen, ask the question and repeat.
Is there a restaurant near here?
Is there
Restaurant
a
here?
restaurant near here?
Yes, straight ahead and it's next to the bank.
Yes.
Next to the
Straight
bank.
ahead. Next to the bank. Next to the bank.
Excellent. Straight ahead next to the bank. All right. Last session we worked on was and where. Remember? Now we work on other verbs. Go, come, sleep, listen. Okay? This is the simple past. For example, last night I slept at 12 o'clock. This morning I woke up at 8 o'clock. I went to the bank. I checked my account. Then I came back home. I made lunch. And then I got prepared for the class. Everything goes to the past verb. Now, before we go to the book, I want you to listen to this part and try to say the past form of these verbs.
I talked to the other students on the plane.
Excellent. Excellent. Now, tell me to write them. My mother cried. Great. Two, I
talked.
Talked. Excellent. Talked. Now, for the pronunciation part, we have three sounds. Sound t, d, and sound id. Now, for example, some verbs have the sound t, like watched, helped, watched, or washed. I washed my face this morning. Sometimes it sounds de, like cleaned, studied, listened.
Arrived also.
Arrived.
Yes.
Excellent. Arrived. Or cried. Sometimes we have sound id, like baked.
Wanted.
Wanted. Excellent. Wanted. Needed. Oh, decided. Started. Baked. Good. Maria, where were you last weekend? Yes,
Can
please.
I imagine something?
Of course. Of course, this is for imagination. Yes.
Imagination, yeah. I went to north of Iran and we stayed there.
We stayed there for
2 weeks.
For a week. Excellent. What did you do there?
Only relax.
Very good. We Relaxed. Excellent. Yes.
Made kebab.
Yes. No food. Ali, you see, you're talking about food. We're not. I tried their local food, we say. Like ghazel fish, ghazelala fish is the local of north of Iran, right?
Like that.
Yes, very good. Okay, great. So here we have some verbs. Please tell me the past form. What is the past form of visit?
Visited.
Visited. Excellent. Play.
Played.
Played.
Played. Clean.
Cleaned.
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 Watch.
Watched.
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 Study.
Studied.
Studied.
Studied. Y changes to I. Check.
Checked.
Checked.
Checked. Lesson.
Listen.
Listened.
Listened.
Walk.
Walked.
Walked.
Work.
Work.
Oh, what?
Worked. And exercise.
Exercise.
Exercised.
Exercised. No, exercised. No, exercised. Okay.
Nice.
Now, for next session, 10 sentences with was and were, 10 sentences with other verbs. For next session, please work on the vocabulary bank, page 130. See you on Wednesday.
Okay.
See you.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you
Thank you.
soon.
Bye-bye.